Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles with egg, okay? What you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have chicken flavored ramen noodles. And right here I have an egg. Alright, I'm going to get started by boiling some water, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. Alright, I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. And I'm going to put the ramen noodles in the boiling water. Alright, I think I may have added too much water, so I'm going to take a bowl and take some of the water out. Alright. Take some of the water out. Keep on doing it. Alright, I think I got enough water out of it. And then I'm going to add the seasoning to the water so the seasoning goes through the ramen noodles. So I'm going to take the seasoning and pour it into the water. Alright. Then I'm just going to let it cook, but I'm also going to flip the ramen noodles. Flip the ramen noodles and just get them right there. And as that's going on, I'm going to take my egg and crack it open and drop it in. Alright? And I'm going to let this cook for a good couple of minutes, like maybe 3 to 4 minutes, until the noodles get done and the egg starts to cook a little bit. Alright? You might want to turn it around a little bit because the heat changes from corner to corner inside of the pot. So I'm just going to do this and break up the noodles a little bit. And then check on the egg. Make sure the egg is cooking properly. See that? So I'm just going to cook this like that. Break up the ramen noodles and just check on the ramen noodles to make sure that they're cooking properly. Alright, so I'm going to let that cook for about a good several minutes. As you can see, some of the egg is cooking. I'm just going to take the egg and flip it a little bit. Alright, and after several minutes, I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to take the ramen noodles. And first take the ramen noodles and put them in the bowl. Alright. And then there's an egg in there, and so what I'm going to do with the egg, I'm going to scoop the egg out, place it on top like that. Alright, there's a little bit more egg in there. Place that on top. And then I'm going to look at it, and then I'm going to take some the red sauce, and I'm just going to put some red sauce on top of it. Alright, and then once you have that, I'm going to put in some chopsticks like that. Alright, and that's how you make ramen noodles with egg. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.